Hello everyone. So this video is about activating your creationist miracle arch box and some use case scenarios. So when you receive your creationist box, before you actually open the lid, you want to do the activation. Kind of super important. And to do that is you just hold your left hand over it about 3 inches and spread your fingers and repeat those 8 magical words. I honor the space in which you exist. At this point, you can go ahead and open it up, and it has been activated. Now, each box comes, the box itself has clear liquid resin poured into it with moldavite dust, liquid, a proprietary liquid alchemy, and of course my intention. And you can see that beautiful source symbol down at the bottom. And the top, each top is slightly different. It could change in color or variation. It was just really dependent on how I felt when these got poured. But they all, the tops all do have that moldavite dust, liquid alchemy, and of course intention in there. And the idea here, folks, is to keep it super simple. You take a piece of paper and you write your intention. Okay, I want to meet my soulmate. Simple, clear, concise. In your head, what does your soulmate look like? You know, and you picture what they look like in your head as you're writing the thing you want to bring into fruition. And you know, the more you refine your intention, the thing you want to bring into fruition, the faster it's actually going to happen. So at this point, after you've gotten it perfect, you want to just go ahead and fold it up and put it inside and basically forget about it. And typically within 72 hours, things will start to percolate. You just drop it inside, and you can put as many in here as you can fit. It really doesn't matter. And as you close this sacred vessel, you just want to think about that intention one more time, and that's it. And what's happening now is you can feel the vibration already starting. So the energy is reverberating off the bottom back to the top, and it's going through what you wrote. And now it's going out to the universe, and the universe is saying, hey, okay, I see this. I'm going to start to put together the energetic pathways to bring it into fruition. The symbols on the side are all guardians to keep it safe from any type of influence. These are no names. They were just brought to me, so they were brought into fruition to be the sacred guardians of this box. The top just has a beautiful design on it. And again, this is a super simple product. It's meant for simplicity and power. That's it. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.